everyone. Welcome to my show I Am Possible with Meeta Ramchandani on My Dream TV USA. My guest for tonight is a proud sponsor of the Empowered Women of the Year Awards event in Nashville, Tennessee. So please welcome a dear friend, a successful businesswoman and entrepreneur from Nashville, Tennessee, Poonam Bhardwaj, the owner of Inflare Boutique. Hello, Poonam. Welcome to our show.
Hello, Mita. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start with introducing yourself. कुछ बताइए आपके बारे में, आपकी फैमिली के बारे में, and your journey in US. How did you come here?
Mita, everyone knows I'm Poonam Bhardwaj. I live here in Franklin and in back in India. Like my family is from Haryana. My husband family is from UP, and almost 10 years we moved here in USA, and in Nashville almost 7 years.
Okay,
And
great.
yeah.
और बच्चों के बारे में?
Oh, yes, I have two kids. One is almost 12-year-old and one is 6-year-old. And
Okay,
my husband is in IT job.
very nice, very nice. तो सब जानते हैं, I think Inflare Boutique को Nashville में तो सभी जानते हैं, and all over US, I'm sure every lot of people know. So when did you start the boutique, and when did you think about, having a clothing line?
I have started almost 5 year back, and it started like my couple of friends. They asked me, "Can I arrange some clothes?" That time, my sister Pooja Sharma, she had a boutique in Delhi. I said, "Oh yeah, I can do that." So starting यहाँ से हुआ और सब लोग बोले कि तुम स्टार्ट करो, चॉइस बहुत अच्छा है. दैट टाइम जस्ट छोटा बेटा हुआ ही था. So he was like not just like almost a year, and I started my business, and everyone who comes like in the boutique, they loved it. So yeah, this is the journey, and we are growing with the support of all our beautiful friends, customers, family support.
How nice. What kind of variety do you carry? Like, do you carry men and women both?
Yes, Mita, we carry everything. Like even in the women's, we have variety like lehengas, sari, and normal regular kurtis, party wear dresses, gowns. Even the wedding collection we have. Man, yes, we have man kurta pajamas, and kids. We have a variety of the kids, girls and boys for both. We carry Indo-Western, so we carry all the latest design. So in our boutique.
That's great. क्या होता है यहाँ पे, like lot of people cannot go to India. शादियाँ
Yes.
होती है, संगीत parties are there, any kind of baby showers, events, and not everybody, goes to India that often to, shop from there. So this is amazing. It's so convenient for everybody living here, when you have boutiques like this. So you can just, so do you do custom orders as well? Like,
Yes, yeah, we do. We do custom. Like sometimes people have their own sizes and they have their own choice. They share their pictures, and we have some designers in India. We do custom as well. So yes, everyone has that options too.
that's really good. So it's only in Nashville or elsewhere also?
Yes, we have customer all over the USA. And but yeah, around the Nashville, like Atlanta, Alabama, Memphis, we have many customers around Nashville.
Right. That's great. I know, and I know in Flair Boutique, I mean, everybody knows, and a lot of people, a lot of our friends also, shop from you.
Yeah,
So that's really great. I love your collection as well,
thank
especially
you,
the women collection is amazing, and I've
thank
seen
you.
आप हमारे वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट इवेंट से भी जुड़ी थी.
Yeah,
You are one of our sponsors and you were going to do the designer showcase as well. So I would like to ask you कि आपकी क्या कहते हैं कि behind every successful man is a woman, but मुझे ऐसे लगता है it's both ways, कि
yes, it is.
I believe in that it's both ways, unless you have the strong support and especially family support, it's hard, especially in this country. So what is your view? आपकी view क्या है
Same.
about women
Yeah, I'm
empowerment?
thinking the same. Yes, like my husband Vikas, he always support me. Even my both kids, so they support their own way. So family का तो support रहता ही है. So yes,
Right, that's true,
lots of
कोई भी
efforts to do.
कोई भी फील्ड में हो, you need that support. I mean, we are very strong, we are very passionate and
Yes.
dedicated and all, पर एक फैमिली सपोर्ट आई थिंक होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो आपके हस्बैंड भी हेल्प करते हैं आपको, बट उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता है.
एक्चुअली स्टोर में नहीं आते हैं, लेकिन जब मैं नहीं होती हूँ घर पर, so he handle the kids, the house. So sometimes he cooks, so it's good.
It's good to have husbands who cook, that's
Yes,
amazing.
yeah,
क्योंकि यूजुअली होता नहीं है ऐसा. इंडियन men, I shouldn't say that on like live, but Indian men, not everybody is good at cooking. It's hard,
yes.
but
Like
that's good.
not every time, every day, but occasionally when kids
Okay.
are hungry.
That's good. That works for us, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
तो अगर हमारे व्यूअर्स को या किसी को कुछ ऑर्डर करना हो आपसे, तो डू यू डू लाइक व्हाट्सएप पिक्चर्स, और आप भेज सकती है, डू यू डू वीडियो चैट्स विद देम?
हाँ, मैं फेस टाइम भी करते हैं हम लोग, और व्हाट्सएप पिक्चर भी शेयर करते हैं. एंड वी हैव आवर ओन वेबसाइट इन फ्लेयर बुटीक, so they can check our collection there. There is like more details. Sometimes it's hard to give all details in the WhatsApp, so they can check
Right.
it out there too as well.
Okay, so all your designs are on your website.
Yes, mostly.
Right. And people can always, call and order. So
Yes,
that's
yeah.
that's really good. So like when is the best time? Like your summer collection, or when, like, Christmas time, or you keep getting new collection as the season changes, or like India में क्या
Yes,
होता है, दिवाली में you get full new collection. Usually, like, boutiques usually
right, right.
get variety.
So collection हमेशा आता ही रहता है, like during the Diwali time every week, but otherwise like every month.
Every
So
month you get new collection.
yes,
That's
every
really
month.
good.
Yes,
So all your workers and everybody is from India.
yes, everyone is from India.
It's easy to handle. Like how does it work? Is it easy to communicate and handle and explain what you actually looking for, designs and everything?
See, when we started the business, everything is very hard that time. But now it's good. It's better.
It's better. You
Yeah,
get
it's
the
better.
yeah, एक chemistry सी बन जाती है. Communication
Right,
is easier, and you have that relation with your customers as well. You know
right.
what they want, their taste. So it
The
becomes a
same.
lot easier.
Yes. Now they know what I want, like what my demands, like. So they share all the pictures I selected, and even I never met them personally, but we have very good relationship.
Right.
Yes.
So that's good. That's the way I think people who are not in your city, or that's the only way they can shop anyways, either
Yes.
online or just, talking to you, and you ship anywhere in the country.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you guys do Canada as well?
No, just in
Not yet.
USA.
Just
Yes.
in USA.
Yes.
Right. So tell us something more about your, collection or your business. We would love to hear.
See, in store we have like all variety, and जो भी आता है सबको इतना अच्छा लगता है. सबसे अच्छा लगता है कि जब आप पर्सनल लाइक ऐसे शॉपिंग करते हो, हम लोगों का इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, मेरा भी कस्टमर्स का भी, और एक अच्छा रिलेशन हो जाता है.
Right.
So they can like try the stuff, they can feel it, and when they go, they are happy with their shopping.
Right.
Or I can see their smile, and it's worth to spend that time with them.
Right. And you're so sweet. First of all, you have such a mesmerizing smile yourself. So I'm sure, and itna aapka khud ka presence itna pretty, and you're so beautiful. So I'm sure, customers and your taste as well is really good.
Yes. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है. कभी कभी इतना अच्छा लगता है जब कस्टमर्स आते हैं और एक कप चाय ले आते हैं.
Okay, how nice. I know.
Yeah, it's so good. Sometimes वही लगता है कि ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज डिफरेंट, बट इस तरह का शॉपिंग में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कोई आ रहा है आपके लिए कुछ स्नैक्स लेकर आ रहा है, इट्स लाइक आई फील सो गुड, एंड लगता है कि जो कर रहे हैं इट्स वर्थफुल.
आई नो. और जैसे हमारे इवेंट में भी मैंने देखा कि आपने, I mean, for our viewers in Nashville, I would like to mention, since I get a chance right now, that due to COVID-19, we did have to postpone our Women Empowerment Event Awards. But when everything settles, we'll be back with a bang. We're just hoping everything settles soon, and we will definitely be back with a bang. And क्योंकि आप हमारे साथ जुड़ी थी, and I have seen, how you got 3 generations together, Just tell us a little bit about that. How was your experience? Not everything, because we wanted a surprise, but just,
yes,
how to get people together for our show.
Yes, yeah. Actually, हम लोग फैशन शो का वही तैयारी कर ही रहे थे कि कोविड-19 का हो गया.
Right.
बहुत अच्छा है. एक्चुअली हमारे स्टोर में हर तरह की है, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, बच्चों के लिए भी है, बड़ों के लिए भी है, इवन द ओल्ड एज लेडीज, एंड एवरी साइज वी कैरी. दिस इज द लाइक वेरी बिग थिंग हियर. आपको क्या इंडिया में भी एक साइज के बाद बाकी साइज नहीं मिलते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग कस्टम करवाते हैं, और वो बहुत एक पॉजिटिव चीज रहती है स्टोर में हम लोगों के. और हमारे कस्टमर भी कुछ ऐसे हैं, उनका भी अलग अलग टेस्ट है, और हर किसी के जैसे किड्स लाइक दे लव टू वेयर लहंगास.
Right.
और like the ladies, they love to wear साड़ी. So इतनी अच्छी और बहुत कलेक्शन है. जो भी आता है, like he always said, एक लेने आए थे और कई लेकर जा रहे हैं.
That's the beauty. Our customer service is, like it matters a lot. So that's really good.
Yes.
और जैसे आपने 3 जनरेशन को साथ में लाया था हमारे डिजाइनर शोकेस के लिए, that was really outstanding. दादी से लेके, बहू से लेके, डॉटर से लेके, बच्चों से लेके.
मुझे लगा कि हम लोग सब कुछ कैरी करते हैं, और यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो मुझे फैशन शो में ये भी दिखाना था कि हमारे पास छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी हैं, बड़ों के लिए भी हैं, बॉयज के लिए भी है, सबके लिए हम लोग रखते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे काफी लोग बॉयज के लिए सुनते हैं तो बहुत लाइक सरप्राइज होते हैं. डू यू हैव दैट? आई सेड या, वी हैव इट. तो हमारे पास इतना स्पेशली जो मेंस हैं अपनी वेडिंग्स के लिए इतना लेकर जाते हैं. तो कुर्ता पजामा इज लाइक ऑलवेज वेरी इन ड्यूरिंग द दिवाली टाइम, ईद टाइम.
राइट. तो आप ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन भी रखती है किसी तरह का?
हाँ, ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन रहता है, जर्मन सिल्वर रहता है, आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी जो होती है, सब कुछ रहता है.
Right. Nice. तो किसी को, if anybody wants, they can just call you, and either like, you can even share your number at the end, or your website at least, so people can, all our viewers, if anybody is interested. And I know Nashville mein to you are the only one, I think.
Yes.
The full-fledged
we are the only one.
It's only in Claire Boutique, so.
Yes.
And it's such a big city, so that's amazing. That's good for you, you started at the right time, and you're doing great for yourself, Poonam.
Yeah, thank you.
So also make, it's times are tough, be it anywhere in the country, it's the same everywhere. So कुछ ऐसा पॉजिटिव मैसेज आपकी तरफ से हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए? in this difficult times, what message would you like to give our viewers? Something positive.
See, if I think as a business woman, so I just want to say everyone this time support your local business. Everyone needs support. So doesn't matter. Like this time, if you don't do shopping in India or online, just do little shopping, not big shopping. Just do little shop from your local vendors. So it's gonna be very good. See, किसी ना किसी तरह हम लोग भी सब लोगों को सपोर्ट करते हैं लाइक किसी किसी को कुछ हुआ कि
Right.
इमरजेंसी है क्लोथ्स चाहिए कुछ
Right.
भी है एंड दे फील सो गुड so this is the time when we need our community support.
I totally agree. I'm a businesswoman myself. So definitely, this is the time, this difficult time, it is to support local businesses.
Yes.
I totally agree to that. And I would like to tell our viewers also कि अगर आपको Indian outfits, ethnic wear, bridal wear, Sangeet party,
Yes.
anything you need, you should call Poonam Bhardwaj from Inflate
Oh,
Boutique.
thank you.
She's amazing and has a beautiful collection. So definitely, I would love if our viewers shop from you as well. So thank you so much, Poonam, for coming
Thank
on our
you.
show. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Mita. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. You take care. Good night.
Yeah.